We are natural partners, Australia and Ireland. In fact, there is a high level of engagement, but there could be so much more.
We're very encouraging in terms of the fact that Ireland and Australia can and should do more together.
Tell me what I can do for you to help advance the Irish-Australian relationship.
I see enormous opportunities for Australia and Ireland to deepen and broaden our economic, trade and investment relationship, and particularly post-Brexit. I think it's an opportunity for both our countries to not only recognise but realise the potential that exists. We already have a close relationship, but there is so much more that we can achieve together.
Now, I unfortunately just don't remember the outcome of that game myself.
And I'm just wondering, from the federal government point of view, are there specific areas of focus that we collectively should be thinking about?
There are about 2 million Australians who claim Irish heritage. I'm sure it's a lot more than that.
Is that the end of TTIP, or is there an alternative that you see on the horizon?
I think using Australia as a base for Asia is a key concept and is really saleable here.
There was a concern that actually the Brexit was masking this other issue, which was a concentration risk of trade they have with Great Britain.
I was given a statistic this morning. It seems that on a per capita basis, per unit of GDP, Ireland trades 30% more with Australia than the UK. Think about that.